How to use secret code on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so open keyboard. So after click on keyboard, click enter code. So star hash 06 hash. So after enter code, you will see secret code is showing here. So after the process, click on OK. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use secret codes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.